It's running.
Okay. You ask
So,
the question?
your first introduction, so name, city, country, and specialization.
Okay, my name is Sokoli Kenechku. I'm from Anambra in Nigeria. My specialization is hydraulic engineering, river basin development.
Thanks. Could you tell me with what kind of water-related issues or problems is your country currently struggling?
Okay, in Nigeria, the main water issue is water supply, potable water supply for the citizens, and we have flooding issues, and sometimes the water-related infrastructural projects suffer funding, in as much as maybe they are well planned, but they end up not being funded to completion. So you have a lot of water-related projects littered around the country.
And in what way will your current MSc specialization at UNESCO IC contribute to solving these kind of problems?
Okay, my MSc is really providing me with a lot of knowledge to plan and design these projects to suit the conditions we have in Nigeria. And with this, I'll be able to take up a very leading role in the planning phase and the design phase of the projects, which are very interesting and I found very important to my career, the way I've been developing it all this while. And this will translate in seeing projects that will have minimum environmental impacts when they are being implemented in Nigeria, because a lot of them are being conceptualized away abroad, and when they are trying to be implemented, we see a lot of faults in them because it's been done by professionals that are not really locals. So we go about spending a whole lot of time to review and condition the project to suit to fit the conditions and ground.
So it's better to do the concepts in your own country because you do have the regional.
Yeah, we know the original information. So I think get the knowledge here will play a big role in planning and designing these projects to suit the conditions in Nigeria. That's fine.
Excellent. Could you briefly explain how your application procedure was for this Rotary Fund?
Okay, initially I got the admission at IHE, and I was looking out for opportunities for funding. So IHE staff sent me an email about this fellowship, and I was encouraged to apply. I sent in my applications to my local Rotary sponsor, who in turn made the final application to the Rotary International. Then I went through interviews, I wrote an essay and all that, and I got a response that I was successful.
And do you still have a good relation with your local Rotary back home and the Rotary clubs here?
Yes, I do have a close relationship with them. I call them often and on. We exchange emails, and they are really interested in how I'm faring here in Europe.
And you also have a good relationship with the local.
Yeah, with the local and my host Rotary councillors here. They have been so nice, and they've provided me opportunities to attend Rotary conventions here in the Netherlands and get to know some Dutch Rotarians too.
So it also has a good influence on your own personal work.
It has, because I've had some, I've known some Dutch families through this outlet, and it has been a way to get to know a little bit of the Dutch culture, meet a lot of people, and discuss how water-related issues are being addressed in the whole world.
And have you already discussed with your local Rotary clubs what kind of projects you will do whenever you return to Nigeria?
Yeah, anyway, it was a preliminary discussion, but we are looking at a way where we can visit primary and secondary schools, because the idea is that sanitation problem is best addressed when you reach out to children or adolescents. You can make those changes at that stage. When you talk to adults, it's very difficult to change the cultural habits they've acquired over time. So we are reaching out to a younger generation to inculcate in them the habits of sanitation and how to deal with water and being being, how do I put it? Being very
focused on
something like that. Being very focused on raising awareness and how to deal with water issues, to appreciate water as a very precious resource and not being wasteful, because this is one of the things we see way back home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay, one moment. If you stand here, then I'm going to make a total picture of you just so I can use later on in the